Hi there, how's everything going on? Today I'm going to tell you some basic things about environmental engineering. Well, the engineering which is applied to the environment to tackle the issues is basically termed as environmental engineering. Now, many of us are confused by the term environment. Many of the people think that environment is only considered to be the greenery, the green plants and vegetation around us. But it's not only limited to that, it's also limited to the society around us. All the space that is surrounding us is known as environment. Now, when this environment gets polluted or gets degraded by some natural or man-made activities, most commonly the man-made activities like rapid urbanization, industrialization, increase in automobiles and industries, increase in the quantity of waste, when they are not properly treated, then it leads to degradation of the environment around us. So that causes a great threat to the environment. Here, the environmental engineer plays a very important role since he is well acquainted with all the problems, their causes, the root causes, and the ways to tackle those problems. Now, an environmental engineer is also specialized in various fields. He may also be a wastewater treatment engineer. He may be a person who is specialized in solid waste management. He may also be specialized in air pollution, because air, water get polluted, even the soil. So when they get polluted, the environmental engineer plays a very important role in tackling that pollution so as to minimize the health hazards caused to the human beings and other biotic species. Now, the environment can be biotic and abiotic. Biotic means that portion of the environment which is related to the living organisms, and the abiotic environment is the non-living portion of the environment, which includes the terrain, mountains, air, temperature, pressure, and all those things which are not living. So biotic and abiotic environments are directly related to each other. Now, the environmental engineer is mainly concerned with the problems which the public is facing due to various issues, various reasons, like, as I told you earlier, which is related to air pollution, which is caused due to the exhaust from the automobiles and industries, water pollution caused due to various factors like discharges from the industry, which may be organic and inorganic in nature, and disposal of solid waste without segregating them and without sorting it out. All these things are a great threat to the living organisms, particularly the human beings and animals. So the environmental engineer plays a very important role in solving these kind of problems so that we can live a very healthy life. Thank you very much. Hope you have enjoyed this video.